TikTok is now a daily norm for most people, even for the cops. Now, it's not what you think. They don't lip sync or do funny dances. These cops are either busting people or getting busted, with the occasional messing around. Let's see what cops are like on TikTok. First up, we have the time a pedestrian made sure the cop knew that he knew his rights.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Can I ask you the purpose of your recordings today, sir?
No, thank you.
Sorry?
No, thank you.
Why not?
I don't wish to talk today.
Sorry?
I don't wish to talk today.
I can't understand you, sir.
I don't wish to talk today. Thank you.
Don't wish to talk?
No, thank you.
Okay, where have you come from? Where do you go into? Okay, you're not allowed on the site, sir. There's a private property on the site, okay?
I don't need any advice, thank you, officer.
You don't need any advice?
No, thank you.
Just don't go on the site. Alright, goodbye.
Next, we have a small clip of some really nice cops that actually did their job properly.
How you doing, buddy? You in trouble, man? Your family's worried about you, buddy. No, they don't. They love you very much. That's why they called us to help find you. I know, but that's okay. That happens sometimes. My sister gets mad at me sometimes. You know, just gotta talk about it with her. Work it out, you know? Or else it's not gonna go away, you know what I'm saying? Buddy, we're not gonna arrest you. You're not in trouble.
Now for the time Officer Lisa tested her strength against a taser.
Taser.
Cops are mostly serious, so it's good for them to let loose sometimes. Now for the time a woman thought she could be slick by sneaking her seatbelt on in front of an officer. At least she made him smile.
You got caught.
Next, we have a recording from an auditor interrogating a cop and talking to him like a cop would. Let's take a look at how that goes for him.
Yeah, this is a police law enforcement parking lot. Yeah, it is.
Oh. Who are you?
I'm Detective Mike Jardine.
Oh, yeah? What are you working on? What are you working on right now?
Several cases.
Okay.
What is this about?
Are you working on something right now?
Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am.
All right, what are you working on? What are you working on?
It doesn't matter what I'm working on. I'm asking you, what are you doing here taking pictures?
Where have you been today? Have you been here all day, or have you been out and about a little bit?
What is this about? Who are you?
I'm asking the questions. Where have you been today?
No,
have you been here?
I'm asking the questions. You're on this property. You're on this property, so you need to answer my questions.
Are you drunk? Why are you slurring your words today? So have you been here all day, or have you been out? Have you been to the bar today at all?
Who are you?
Have you been to the bar today?
Who are you?
I'm an investigator.
Investigator for who?
Investigative journalist. I investigate corrupt officials. So I'm wondering, where have you been today? Have you been here all day, or have you been out at the bar at all?
Working on a fraud case. That's
Okay.
where I've been.
Okay. Have you been to the bar at all today?
No.
Okay. You got any drugs on you? Have you used any drugs today?
What a ridiculous question.
That's not a ridiculous question. Do you know where he's been today?
I don't. I don't keep tabs on him.
Okay.
Out and about.
Do you know what time his shift started?
Not off the top of my head.
Okay. Does he usually drink on the job, or no? Not that anybody knows of for sure. Have you guys ever breathalyzed him while he's been on the job? Would you submit to a breathalyzer for me right now?
You're ridiculous. You know that? You've got about 5 minutes to get out of here right now.
Or what?
Or what? You're on
my
law
property.
enforcement. This isn't your
Yeah,
property.
it is. Shut the hell up. Get out of here now.
What'd you say?
I said shut up and get out
No,
of here.
you get out of here now.
Hey, you better get your boy. Get your butt back in your office and do your job.
You shut up and get out of
You get
here.
your butt back in your office and do your job.
No. No.
You quit drinking on the job. You understand me?
Whatever.
You punk. You get back in there. You don't look back here again. I'll be watching you. You are now under investigation.
Now we actually have video footage of a cop chasing a taxi driver that was clearly guilty of something. The cop then mocked him after he arrested him. Take a look. These cops were caught on their own body cameras laughing and making fun of a disabled veteran that called them for help.
You guys made a guy pee himself?
Yeah.
You guys wouldn't let him use the restroom, and then he calls back and says it's okay, he doesn't need to pee anymore because he used soil.
Now for the time a scammer had called a cop and she gave them a taste of their own medicine.
Can you verify me your home address?
No, I will not.
I'm sorry?
No, I'm not going to give you my address. If you have my file on me, you should know what my address is.
Miss Stephen, you need to understand one thing over here, that I'm trying to cooperate with you on the recorded line, and even you need to cooperate with me. Recent mailing address?
My current address is 205 Saunders, Saunders Street in Apex, North Carolina.
Want me to read out the complete information to you about the allegations from which you can... Now, there are legal enforcement agencies involved in this case, so before we go ahead and give out the complete information to you, I need you to verify me with the last 4-digit number of your social security so I can confirm that the details are given to the right person.
I'm not going to confirm my social security number with you.
Ms. Stephen, I'm not asking you to confirm your social security number. What I'm asking you just to verify me with the last 4 digits of your social security so I can confirm that the details are given to the right person.
I'm not going to do that.
Social Security Administration and law enforcement agencies has found 25 fraudulent bank accounts opened and used fraudulently using your social security number to commit a fraud of more than $10 million. This account were used to transfer and receive funds for illegal local and international bank wire transfer include like money laundering, drug trafficking, and for internal revenue service, tax scams all over USA. I need to give them the details. So can you just tell me how many bank accounts do you own as per your knowledge and information?
I would like to just speak to your supervisor now, please.
And you told my officer that you want to speak to a senior officer, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, now go ahead and let me know how many bank accounts are originally owned by you, which has nothing to do with the illegal activities.
Well, if it has nothing to do with illegal activities, why do I have to give you tell you how many bank accounts I have?
See, if you do not tell me how many bank accounts you have, we'll go ahead and suspend all the bank accounts which are connected to your social security. Do not blame us if you lose any money. We are trying to help you out over here, okay?
Well, I just don't understand why I'm giving you I would like to know what the allegations are against me and what you're going to take out a warrant for.
Right now, there are 2 criminal charges against you. Number 1, drug trafficking. And number 2, money laundering. Okay?
Well, that's better than the 25 the first guy told me were out against me. And they've hung up on me.
Today, go rub, boy. He's out of breath. So he's gone.
You have seen where he's gone. You've been filming me. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Hey yo, you under?
Now for the time a taxi driver drove away from the cops. One cop was smart enough to use his car to chase him. The other cop, though, decided to run after the taxi. Next up, we have a video titled "Tell Me You're in Birmingham Without Telling Me You're in Birmingham."
Eight shots. He said 8 shots. Where is he? I don't know.
Next is a man who was recording a TikTok live and had a stranger come up to him demanding money. One of his viewers called the cops, and this is what happened after.
Hi man, how are you man? Yeah, give me 1 minute. No. Sir, you say the guy, can you say him to go to leave this property, please? He make me scary, man. Yeah, thank you so much, man. And let me know if you need anything, come back, okay? Yeah, thank you so much. Yes. Thank you so much, guys. Who called the police? Thank you so much. I feel comfortable right now. That's good. He is taking, look. Don't look at there. Don't look at. He's gonna be aggressive. Yeah, police took it in the car. He's gonna leave the property. Look at the police. He checked his body and he put him in the car. He's gonna take him out. So you saw it. I feel safe right now. Okay, I have to focus my business. Thank you so much. Who called the police?
And next we have a clip of cops trying to get a feral intruder out of the house.
Oh my god, he damn knocked the shower curtain over.
Dramatic as shit, bro. Why the lady going there first?
Where the fuck is it at?
I don't. It's in there somewhere.
I swear it's in there.
Shut the door.
There ain't a cat in here. Yes, there is.
I'm telling you, there is a cat in there.
Oh, it's underneath the thing.
Oh, hell no.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo!
No.
Bro!
He said, no ma'am.
Oh, no.
Coming up, we have the time a TV personality was announcing a police car chase as if it was a race. Let's take a look.
As you can see, the blue car is the one we're following.
Will he pull this off? There's a cop right there.
He's going for it.
Oh, wow.
That Dodge Charger just pulled off that play and broke some legs on the cops yet again.
Was that an NFL joke?
It sure was. He's really getting some speed up that side street.
That thing has the 6.2-liter supercharged engine, pushing well over 700 horses. But also, it may have some upgrades from the looks of things.
We're now on the I-75 heading just off downtown Dallas, and I don't see a cop in sight.
That's right. The nearest cop is about a mile off now. We're just trying to match his speed to see 152. Oh my God. We just for a second matched his speed and the camera read 152. And that semi, I think, had just moved over for the Dodge clearing the lane.
The cops are right on his tail here.
You say that, but he's about to open up that gap.
Would you look at that?
How is that possible?
That cop stood absolutely no chance just then. Look at that gap.
Now for the nicest cop on TikTok. He was so calm about the situation. This is how all cops should act.
Name, badge number, sir?
My name is Officer Yonker. Badge number is 1230.
Your body camera?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Is your camera?
Of course.
Of course. All right. Yeah. So they're just calling. They're just kind of concerned that what you're doing basically. Seems like you're just recording. Just to record.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. So are you kind of familiar with the laws and the rules? I'm assuming, right? So sidewalk, beyond rights, all public property. So I just informed them of all that. You can record all day long if you want
awesome,
to.
Man.
They do request that you just not go on their property, which I believe is the sidewalk is generally what the property line is. So
yes,
that's all they request. You just don't go on their property.
Okay.
All right. So they were just kind of, it seemed like strange behavior to them. So that's why they called. Is they're like, what in the world is going on?
True.
So alrighty.
Google Maps ain't no strange behavior, is it?
Yeah, exactly.
True.
I'm sure I've seen everything.
It's a new world. Hey, so your rolling body cam,
Yes,
badge
sir.
number was
1230.
1230. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I might request that. Thank you, sir.
As serious as the UK police are, some of them can be funny too.
It's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. It's the sound of the sound of the. Cheers, brother. Have a great day. Yo, what's going on, mate? Is there any chance you do your funniest facial expression? One more. Go. One more. One more. Is that you, boys?
Jump on, son.
Sir, give me your best animal noise.
I'm going.
Is there any chance I can give one of your officers a kiss? Can I give you a kiss at all?
Thank you very much.
Why not?
Yeah, very kind.
Come on, mate. A little chocolate Hershey kiss. You sure you don't want one? No? Alright, have a great day anyway, boys. Be safe, alright? Take care. Go on then, go. Go.
I'm a police officer. Can I have a kiss now?
No, you can't.
This next guy documented 2 British officers harassing him for the second time.
Alright, boys, how we doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I've met you before. Yeah. Hey, do you want to jump out of the car, please?
Why am I getting out?
Yeah, jump out of the car. Just want to have a conversation.
Why am I getting out though? What's the reason?
Because we're stopping you and we want to talk to you.
But what's the
I know
reason?
you're filming me. I can see you there.
Yeah, you keep...
Switch your engine off. We're going to have a chat.
Yeah, why am I getting out though?
Where you guys going?
Can't you see we just got food?
Can you wind down the window a bit?
Yeah, you can still hear me.
Yeah, wind it down.
I don't need to wind it down.
Wind it down.
I don't need to wind it down. Why are you pulling me over?
Why are you getting cars flagged up? That's why we pulled you over.
Yeah, what's flagged on my car?
Flagged up for some checks.
Yeah, for what though? For what though? What's on the flag?
We pulled you over to do some checks.
Yeah, do your checks then. I don't give a shit. Do your checks and let me go.
Yeah, that's what
You're making my food get cold.
Okay, well we can do that. You can go and do your food.
Yeah, so do your checks and let me go.
Boys, jump out of the car. You've been detained for a search, alright?
A search for what though?
Jump out of the car. You're detained for a search.
Search for what?
Again, being detained for the purpose of drug search, okay? Alright, jump out of the car.
Mate, this is all the time, you know.
Jump out of the car. I know, mate.
Hey mate, if I get out, you're not putting me in cuffs. If I get out, mate, if I get out, you're not putting me in cuffs.
Thank you very much. I'll put your phone away, come on.
What do you mean? I'm allowed to record.
Okay, yeah, not at this moment in time, not if it's going to obstruct.
You're not obstructing nothing, mate. It's all of this bad man shit, man. You lot get on my nerves.
Alright, listen.
I'm allowed to record, mate. Yeah, pose for them. Let them see. You lot always want to harass me, and you. Say bye.
See you later.
Yeah?
Alright, I'll see you next time, yeah?
You'll see me next time. No, you won't, mate.
Now we have the time a cop accepted defeat when 2 guys played him. They gave him a ridiculous payment after he issued a ridiculous fine.
Allowed to feed it officer.
Why not?
No? You're getting a ticket from me, a fine.
You're hungry.
Yeah, I understand, but there are a lot of dogs in the city, so it's not allowed.
And then? Do you accept Apple Pay?
Apple Pay, yes, it's possible.
Okay, that's my fine. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Really?
And you can keep one.
Yeah, you can keep one, no problem.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a nice day.